Enjoy affordable living at an exceptional location when you make the move to Roosevelt House 1 and 2. Along with our exciting location, our smoke-free and pet-friendly community features the amenities you desire for a more fulfilling lifestyle. Relax in our beautiful courtyard, meet new neighbors at our exciting social events, and get your hair done at our on-site beauty shop. Our residents come first with secure building access, an on-site laundry facility, and friendly package receiving services. Courtesy patrols and utilities are included for your comfort and convenience, and we are Section 8 approved. At Roosevelt House, you'll find everything you need in your new one-bedroom home, including step-in showers, cable TV and internet access, and a fully equipped kitchen with dishwasher and microwave. Select units have been newly renovated, and many of our homes boast incredible views of Owensboro. Our great location in the heart of Owensboro places you within easy reach of local shopping, dining, churches, and everyday conveniences. Call today to schedule your tour and learn more about Roosevelt House 1 and 2.